I'm Chris Berg with Doom and Orange, and today wanted to show you about our innovative Basewell rooted cuttings. The Basewell program is very unique because it's hybridized between an unrooted cutting and a rooted liner, allowing growers to order rooted material offshore to give you a head start on your unrooted materials. The trick with Basewell is we want to make sure that when we're direct planting this into our finished container that we adhere the soil very close around the roots so that they don't dry out. What's important about this is that we don't create a traditional dibble. What happens with a dibble hole is you'll stick your cutting in and there's too much air around the roots and you don't get good adherence of soil. What you want to do is also not grab the cartridge, because that will automatically create sides on the side of the cartridge. You grab by the plant at the top and simply stick it in the soil. And you do this over and over like little darts. Afterwards, you want to water this in very, very well. Not a traditional mist that you would do with an unrooted cutting, but really soak these in because that's what's going to cause all that soil to get inside the cartridge and adhere to the roots and allow them to grow. Basewell come in two ways. We can either send you the individual cartridges or we offer them in an auto sticks strip for mechanical plantings. For more information, go to growbasewell.com or contact any of your Doom and Orange sales representatives.